One character in the toy castle that I was never really able to quite understand was the Dolly Bird. Now, don't get me wrong, I like her just fine. It's just that I don't really understand why she's called the Dolly Bird in the first place. For one, her costume clearly resembles a parrot. And for another, well, her name means different things depending on the time period. And the two definitions that I'm thinking of don't really resemble her character whatsoever. In the 1960s, Dolly Birds were women who dressed like young girls or dolls while retaining a sense of style to go along with that playfulness. Examples of wardrobe pieces would have included baby doll dresses, mini skirts, Mary Jane shoes, and these were usually accessorized with bows, lace, ribbons, Peter Pan collars, and so on and so forth. Makeup looks tended to include big eyelashes, sometimes fake, and usually the girls would have blush on their cheeks, or even like powdered or pastel accents. Hairstyles tended to include fringes or pixie cuts. Icons of the Dolly Bird craze were, for instance, Mia Farrow, Twiggy, and Sharon Tate. The trend had other names as well. You had the Dolly Girl, 60s Dolly, and Dolly Style. A far cry from the circus theatrics of the toy castle. These days, however, Dolly Birds are beautiful women who are seen as dim-witted. Our Dolly Bird is indeed beautiful, but a dimwit she is not. She's a dramatic showgirl who loves to dance for her friends, though she isn't always confident about it, and so she needs a little encouragement. Nothing wrong with that. Just keep on dancing, Dolly.